In a previous video, we put E-Revo 2.0 up against an older version of itself. But the new car comes with bigger tyres, as we can see here, and a lot of people said these tyres are going to make a big difference to the way the car goes. So seriously, we put the older, smaller tyres on the new one and the bigger tyres on the old E-Revo. Is that going to level the playing field? Is this titanic struggle of Tug of War going to come down to a stack of tyres? Seriously, is that going to make the difference between the old and the new? We're here to find out today. What do you think? Hi, I'm John. Welcome back to Stupid Fast RC. Today we are going to do a rematch between the new E-Revo 2.0 and the old one, the 1.0. Well, it isn't actually the 1.0, but that's a whole other story. However, a lot of people said that this was a test. We did a Tug of War and they said it was a test between tyre traction from the old to the new, and there was very little in it. True, there was very little in it. However, this was a clear winner 3 times in a row last time, and we were running 6S in both. They do have the same size engines, they have different ESCs, they have different suspension, or more beefed up suspension over here, and different drivetrain, quite a bit of change in the drivetrain, and similar centers of gravity. So what is the difference? Are the tyres going to make a difference? So just to prove the point, we have swapped the tyres from the old car to the new car, exactly as is. I actually was trying to get the same type of tyres for both cars, but as we are in the very early stages of the new E-Revo, there's only apparently 40 of these cars in Australia. Would you believe? I find that hard to believe. I couldn't actually get the tyres for it, so I've had to just do a swap. I could have put some different tyres on, but that would have made it even more controversial. So I think the quickest way to do this is to swap tyres and see how we go. So let's try it and see what happens. Is it right? What do you think? Do you think it's just down to the tyres, or do you think there's more involved? 2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and watch these crazy videos too. Stupid Fast RC.